In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Bitcoin from PayPal to another wallet. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what to look for, and how to avoid common mistakes when moving your crypto. First, open the PayPal app and make sure you're signed in. You should land on the home screen. If you ever get lost, the home icon sits in the bottom left corner and brings you back here. We'll start from this page to keep everything simple and consistent. Next, head to Crypto. At the top of the home screen, you'll see your PayPal balance cards. Swipe sideways until you find the one labeled Crypto. If it doesn't appear, no worries. Tap the three stacked lines in the top left corner, then under Manage Finances, choose Crypto. That takes you to PayPal's crypto dashboard where you can manage your digital assets. Now select Bitcoin. Scroll down to the section called Your Crypto and tap Bitcoin. This opens the Bitcoin overview page tied to your PayPal account, showing your current holdings and recent activity. From here, tap Send. You might need to scroll slightly to see the paper plane icon. This opens the send flow. You'll see a list of suggested contacts, but if you're sending to an external wallet, tap the address field at the top. Paste or carefully type the Bitcoin wallet address you're sending to. Double check that it's a Bitcoin address and not for another network. A quick safety tip. Compare the first and last few characters of the address with what your recipient provided to ensure it matches exactly. When you're confident it's correct, select that address or recipient to continue. Enter the amount you want to send. You can type a specific amount or tap send all if you're moving your entire Bitcoin balance. For this walkthrough, we'll enter $1 worth of Bitcoin. When the amount looks right, tap Next. PayPal will run a security check. This may involve a text code or two-factor authentication, depending on your settings. Complete the verification to proceed. You'll see a final review screen showing the recipient wallet address, the amount you're sending, any fees, and the estimated transfer time. Take a moment to read everything carefully. When you're ready, tap Send Now to complete the transaction. A few closing reminders. Always double check wallet addresses because crypto transfers are irreversible once they're confirmed. Transfer times can vary with network activity, so a little patience may be needed. And that's it. You've sent Bitcoin from PayPal to another wallet. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more PayPal tips and tutorials.